This is Bashir. Bashir's father is a farmer and he himself is an environmentalist. Bashir knows that 70% of the water is actually used for irrigation and 100 times more water is used for irrigation than for personal use. Bashir is convinced that he needs to address this problem. He met with his researcher friend Samir, who agreed with Bashir and said that yes, a lot of work was being done in this field and the work was being done with wireless sensor networks to interact with the environment. He said that a more advanced technology would solve his problem. Samir told him that he had just read the research which was named IoT-based low-cost and intelligent module for smart irrigation system. This system was comprised on 3 units, and those 3 units together would definitely help Bashir in smart irrigation. The system had 3 units. The unified sensor pole, which took the sensor data, and then it was responsible for making a decision whether neural networks were used to make the decision or evapotranspiration calculations which were done in the one-time setup mode. The neural networks were used in adverse conditions. However, in the regular conditions, the evapotranspiration calculations done in the setup mode were used for making decisions for the irrigation unit, which was responsible for actuating the irrigation networks in the sensor information unit would take all the data, segregate it, and send it to the web page for remote monitoring. The communication of all the units with each other and the user was done using MQTT protocols over Mosquitto open source software. All the user had to do was go in admin mode and then put in the crop type, soil type, and the plantation date. The system would itself calculate the evapotranspiration in the setup mode and continue the constant monitoring mode. Based on these calculations, irrigation schedule was made, and this irrigation schedule would be followed by the irrigation networks and USB. System was also tested on a sample crop, and it showed that 67% of water which would have been used in conventional irrigation networks was actually saved by using this method due to efficient and smart decision making. Me further added that the neural network was because of the complexity of the situation and it was trained on irrigational needs database. Further, he added that this system was rather efficient. Bashir is very satisfied with his discussion and now wants to add this to his